Most drivers trust modern car technology, but some features designed for comfort and efficiency can quietly shorten your engine's life. Here are 5 features that slowly damage your engine over time. Auto Start-Stop Systems. Auto Start-Stop saves fuel in traffic, but every restart causes extra wear on engine components. Oil pressure drops when the engine shuts off, and repeated restarts increase stress on bearings, starters, and timing components. In heavy traffic. Number 2. Extended oil change intervals. Many manufacturers advertise oil changes every 10 to 15,000 miles. While modern oils are better, dirty oil still breaks down over time. Old oil loses lubrication, clogs passages, and accelerates wear on camshafts, timing chains, and turbochargers. Shorter oil intervals can significantly extend engine life. Number 3. Eco Driving Modes. Eco mode reduces throttle response and keeps engine RPM very low. Low RPM combined with heavy throttle creates high internal engine loads. This can increase stress on pistons, connecting rods, and crankshaft bearings, especially when climbing hills or carrying heavy loads. Number 4. Direct fuel injection. Direct injection improves efficiency and power, but it allows carbon buildup to form on intake valves. Over time, this buildup causes rough idling, misfire. Number 5. Turbocharged engines without cooldown time. After hard driving, shutting off the engine immediately can overheat turbocharger oil. This creates sludge, restricts lubrication, and leads to premature turbo failure, letting the engine idle for 30 to 60 seconds can prevent serious damage. Modern cars are advanced, but engines still depend on proper care. Understanding these features can help your engine last longer. Follow for more practical car tips.